Welcome to our channel Solution Expert, where we make mastering SAM Cengage projects easier than ever before. Whether you're a student looking for assistance or seeking additional resources, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step solution for Shelly Cashman Word 2019, Module 6, Project 1A. For any solution or help, please contact us via the links given in video description. We are available 24/7. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more SAM Cengage project solutions. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll tackle another challenging project. Until next time, happy learning!